Hey guys, I'm back. Don't mind the music in the back. I like to listen to music when I'm getting ready. Today's going to be another get ready with me video. Get ready with me for my driving lesson. This is my fourth time driving, I think. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, it's getting a bit stressful, but we will be driving soon with more practice. So anyways, let's get into it. Right now I'm gonna add a little bit of foundation. Concealer. I'm gonna add some light blush. Highlight. I almost forgot, but I'm gonna add some powder. Okay, next I'm gonna add some eyeshadow, like some brown. Eyeliner. Mascara. Lip liner. Lip gloss. I'm gonna add some more concealer. I'm gonna add some of this blush. Setting spray. Okay, I finished my makeup, and next I'm gonna move on to the hair. I just finished brushing out my hair, and I'm about to curl it, so let's get into that. Hey guys, my hair is done. Now I gotta pick an outfit. This is what I'm wearing, pretty simple. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. I know it's pretty simple. School's ending soon, so be prepared for more videos in the summer. Anyways, thanks for watching and keep up for more.